Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode of Back to Basics. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make a very basic cottage cheese, and if you stick around to the end, I'll share with you a lovely little recipe using that cheese. So without further ado, let's proceed. So here I have 1 liter of full fat Jersey milk. We're going to put the hob on and we're going to warm it up to the point just before it boils. Don't forget to mix your milk so it doesn't burn at the bottom. If you're wondering why we have some fat floating on the top, this was a full fat unhomogenized milk, so this is a part of cream or part of butter almost that is risen to the top. There's nothing to worry about. So I can hear us getting to that stage now, so we're going to turn the hob off. I've got 2 tablespoons of vinegar. You can put lemon juice if you like. Give it a mix. And then put the lid on and let it sit for about 10-15 minutes until the curds have separated. Okay, so the time has passed and our curds have separated. So we have whey and lovely curds. So let's now get that strained. So I have my sieve here and a muslin cloth on the top. So let's pour the liquid. Here we are. Okay, and I'm going to pick it up and we're going to put this to a different container. We're going to strain this until it's all finished. So now it has been straining for a little while. Let's just lift it off and just squash it a little bit. It's going to be very hot. So just, I see more whey coming out. Right, so now have a look, see what that looks like right this second. Okay, so I'll just let it cool down a bit more. So here we are, the cheese is now in a bowl. All we've got to do, just use a fork and just ruffle it up a little bit. So next thing is, right, I'm going to be adding on some cream. You can add on yogurt, you can add on a little bit of whey, or you can add on a little bit of milk. But to make it nice and creamy, I'm going to add on some lovely cream. And then mixing together. This is how I want it for my next recipe, but this is literally the basics of your cottage cheese. So now let me show you the best way to enjoy it. I've got some boiled beetroot sliced into circles. And 1 more for the good measure. I'm now going to put our cheese, cottage cheese, on top. I'm going to now sprinkle some olive oil. Good quality olive oil. A little bit of salt to taste. A bit of pepper. And the last but not least, sprinkle some crushed walnuts on top. And trust me guys, this is the best way to enjoy your cottage cheese. So here we are. This was as simple as that. Literally within 20 minutes we are done. And this does look absolutely amazing. And trust me, it tastes absolutely amazing as well. So anyway, I do hope guys you have enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget, thumbs up. Very important for me and the channel. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye.